South Korea's armed forces are planning to sign a significant contract for the acquisition of Polish-designed Warmate suicide drones. The deal is set to be finalized during the Korea International Defense Industry Exhibition, which will take place from October 2 to 6. According to satellite images, China has built a new heliport near the Indian border. The construction of the heliport is primarily related to strengthening China's positions in the disputed territories and will allow the use of helicopters in the event of border clashes. Iran revealed its latest military advancements, including an upgraded version of the Shahed-136B suicide drone during a military parade. The Shahed-136B, an enhanced version of one-way attack drone with significant upgrades, which includes a larger warhead with range between 2,500 to 4,000 kilometers, a turbojet engine with improved stealth capabilities. Ukraine is in discussions with its European allies to secure Swedish-made Gripen and Eurofighter jets as part of its ongoing efforts to modernize its air force. These negotiations represent a broader effort by Ukraine to strengthen its air defense capabilities in light of the ongoing conflict.